Hello guys, welcome back to Nana's Food Well. Today we are making granola cookie. Okay, look at that. It's so chewy, it's delicious. You can use it as a breakfast cookie, okay, or you can just break it and put it in yogurt. I love it in yogurt. It's so delicious. So guys, come along with me. Just look at that. Very easy recipe, and I know you are going to love it. So guys, come along with me. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. This is really easy and delicious and healthy as well. So let's do this. So guys, to start, I'm using some dried cranberries. As you can see, I love cranberries. And then some almonds, some coconut shavings, and also some walnuts. But you can use any nuts of your choice. Okay, this is what I'm using. Right, so the next bit, I add some little bit of salt. This is optional. Okay, and then I'm adding my oats. Okay, I'm using the traditional rolled oats, and then I'll add some cinnamon to it. And then I'm going to mix it so that it's well incorporated. I told you it's a very easy recipe, but you can use any seeds, you can use any nuts, you can use any fruits of your choice. So this is what I like. It's all done. The next bit, I have some coconut oil, and I add some maple syrup to it. Okay, I'll put all of them down in the description box for you. And then some honey. Yes, some honey, guys. And then I mix it really well, okay, before I add it onto my dry ingredients. So I add also some vanilla extract as well, so that's, it smells amazing. I love it when it really smells nice. It comes out of the oven is so good. So I mix it well. As you can see, it's all mixed nicely, and then I'm going to just add it onto my nuts, okay, and also my fruit and also my oats. Okay, so this is the dry mixture I did before. Add it to it. I'm going to compact this mixture onto this molds. Okay, I use this molds because it makes it much more compact and it comes together nicely. You can use anything of your choice, okay, or you can do it like that to granola. But when I use the molds, it makes it much compact and it comes together, and I love it. So just follow along. As you can see, I'm using my fingers to make it much more compact. Okay, the more compact it is, the more it stays together. So that's why I'm showing all these. So it's all done. Okay, and then I'm going to put that into the oven at 180 degrees for about 12 minutes. All right, or more if you want it to be much more crispier. All right, I did put some in my muffin mold as well. I love it when it's compact. It's all done. As you can see here, it doesn't take that long, and it smells amazing. It's nicely cooled. As you can see here, it came out really well, and it tastes amazing, guys. You have to try this recipe. It's really nice. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to share, okay? This is really delicious, it's healthy, and you are going to love it. Bye.